Hello everyone. Today we will study how to draw a rectangular hyperbola. So let us see this problem. So a point P is 40 mm and 30 mm from horizontal and vertical axis respectively. Draw hyperbola through it. So whenever you are given with the position of point from x asymptote and y asymptote, then you can use this asymptote method to draw hyperbola through it. So this is the x asymptote. So the point is 40 mm from horizontal. So I have marked the 40 mm and 30 mm from vertical asymptote or axis. This is the position of the point. Now you have to draw a hyperbola through this point. So for that you need to take multiple points here. So I will name the points as 1, 2, 3. Similarly, you can take multiple points on the horizontal line. Okay, so you can take 3 points on horizontal as well, you can take 4 points on vertical as well. So it depends on you how many points you want. So I will just extend these two lines from P. Now I will draw a line passing through O point. Okay, then I will extend it up to this point. Similarly, I will draw a line from O point passing through second point. Similarly for third. Similarly for these 2 points. Okay, now I will name the same point. You can use a dash over it as well. Similarly dash and 2 dash. Okay, you can use this as 4 and this as 5. Okay, so just to avoid confusion, so you can use this as 5. Now after this you will be drawing a vertical line parallel to y asymptote, that is your vertical axis, from 1 dash, and then you will be drawing horizontal line parallel to your horizontal axis from 1 point. So these two perpendicular lines will intersect at some point. So you have to name that point as P1, right? Similarly, for getting the second point, you will draw a parallel line to vertical asymptote, and then you will draw horizontal line from 2 point. So it will give you P2 point. Similarly, to get P3, you will draw a parallel line from 3 dash and 3. So you will get P3. Similarly, on vertical axis, a horizontal line from 4 dash and vertical line parallel to y asymptote from this. So you will get P4. Similarly, from 5 dash, horizontal line and vertical line. So you will get P5. So now you have got 6 points, that is P5, P4, one is P itself, then P1, P2, P3. Now you have to draw a hyperbola passing through all these 3 points or 6 points. Okay, and finally you will name this curve as hyperbola. Now this is also called as a rectangular hyperbola because the area under the curve, under the rectangle, is always constant. Okay, so this can be applicable to Boyle's law as well. So what do I mean by area? So you can see you have these points P5, P4, then P, then you have P1, then P2, and then P3, right? So if you get this area of rectangle, so this area will be equal to this area. Similarly, it will be equal to this area. Similarly, this will be equal to this area, and likewise. So that's why it is called as rectangular hyperbola, and this is applicable to your Boyle's law as well. PV is equals to constant, right? So that is all about the hyperbola using asymptote method. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. Have a good day and happy learning.